band based in Imus, Cavite, formally established in 1905 as Banda Luha by Elang Fajardo of Imus Poblacion. The group traces its earliest origin as far back as 1899, when local musicians in music gathered informally to play music. The band's name was changed to Commonwealth Band Number 1 in the 1930s, following the creation of the Philippine Commonwealth Government. Presenting its identity as the first established band on the city of Imus, earning it the distinction Banda Uno Imus, in contrast to the late third Banda Dos Banda Pagkaisa. For over 5 generations, the Commonwealth Band has remained steadfast in its mission to promote music as a means of cultural preservation, education, and community engagement. As a non-profit, non-profit organization, it continues to serve as an inclusive musical venue for both amateur and professional musicians of all ages. Its members have gone on to serve and perform with distinction in various military bands in both the Philippines and the United States, and have established career as professional international musicians, educators, engineers, administrators, and professionals in a wide range of fields. With an impressive legacy of 120 years, the Commonwealth Band is one of the oldest continuously active marching bands in the Philippines, even predating national institutions such as the University of the Philippines, established 1908. The band remains a vital institution in the cultural landscape of Imus, Cavite, and Philippine music history at large. The band is also widely recognized for its excellence in parade and concert competition. It has consistently earned top honors in events across Luzon, particularly Commonwealth Band Number 1 Association Inc. General Diego Street by Luma Uno, Imus, Cavite.